Morning, Pre-K. Today we're going to do our math lesson. So first we're going to talk about our number of the day. We're not going to do the shape because we're just reviewing all of our shapes now because we've learned all of them. We'll do our number, we'll count by tens, and then we're going to practice adding, okay? So the first thing is our number, and it's a 2 and a 0. We've been doing numbers that start with a 1, and we said 19, 18. Do you know what it's called if there's a number that has a 2 first and then another number? We're in the 20s now. We're not in the teens anymore. So a 2 and a 0 is 20. If it's a 2 and a 1 after it, it's 21. So now everything we say, if there's a 2 in front of it, it's 20. You can't really see the picture, but they're flowers. Let's see if there's 20 flowers, if they counted correctly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. That is such a big number. They have a 10 frame. So I'm going to show you what 20 looks like on a 10 frame. I'm going to draw the circles. Miss Stewart still has this from our weather lesson last week. And you are going to count with me, and we'll see how many squares we fill up in the 10 frames. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if we have 20, that means there's one 10 frame full, there's a whole 10 frame, and then another 10 frame is full. There's no extras. And if we count by tens, we go 10, 20. So if we say 20, that means there's two whole sets of 10. Since we just talked about that, let's go ahead and count by tens. Ready? Take your fingers and tap them together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Touch your elbows together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then let's tap your shoulders. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Remember, you need to know how to count by tens so that you can count faster if you are counting a big number of things. Because if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, it takes a long time to get to 100. So sometimes it's faster to count by tens. Let's review all of our team numbers up to 20, and then we'll start doing addition. So what number is this? A 2 and a 0 is 20. Number is this? Look at there's a 1, so I know it's a teen, and then a 7, so 17. So 1, I know it's a teen, 19, 15. Look at the second number, so you know it's a 14. Oh, this one's tricky. 11, 10, that's easy. 13, oh, this one's hard. 12, 16, and 18. Let's do it really fast, okay? And then we'll move on. Say 20, 17, 19, 15, 14, 11, 10, 13, 12, 16, 18. Very good. Okay, so now we're going to practice adding. And it's important to know how to add for a lot of reasons. When your mom goes to the store and she's trying to figure out what to buy, she's probably adding how much she has. When she checks out, The cashier adds up how much everything costs and tells her what to pay. When Miss Stewart is buying cupcakes for the class, I might say, well, this package has 10 cupcakes, and this package has 10 cupcakes, and 10 plus 10 is 20, so I have enough cupcakes. So we add all the time. So that's what we're going to do today. So you can add with numbers, or you can add with word problems. So, for example, a number would be 2 plus 2 equals. 2 plus 2 equals. Another way to say that is, if Miss Stewart has 2 pink flowers, 1, 2, and I get 2 orange flowers, 1, 2, how many flowers do I have now? So Miss Stewart has 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 2 is 4. If you don't have objects, you can draw a picture. So if it says 2, I have to draw 1, 2 circles, and then I have to draw 2 more circles, 2 and 2, and then I'm going to count all of them together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Good job. Let's do one more and then we'll do it together. So you might have, not everybody, some people don't do Easter eggs, but you might have gotten some Easter eggs last week. So let's do a problem. Let me write it first. Let's do if I had 3 blue eggs and I got 2 purple eggs. How many eggs do I have? So 3 plus 2 equals. And another way to say that is if I have 3 blue eggs, 1, 2, 3, and then I get 2 purple eggs, 1, 2. How many eggs do I have all together? Ooh, let's see if I can do it in one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 purple and 3 blue is 5. If you don't have objects, let's draw it, and we're going to use the right colors. So if I have 3 blue, 1, 2, 3, and I have 2 purple, 1, 2, how many are there all together? Equals means how many are there all together? When we add, we put things together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Good job. Do you think you're ready to do it on your own or do it with me? So for this next part, you need a piece of paper, you need a pencil, or you can just use crayons. And you can pause it if you don't have it and if you need it, and then come back when you're ready. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper in half because we're going to do a few problems. So fold your paper in half like a hamburger and then open it. Okay, the first problem we're going to do, because I want you to add numbers that are less than 5 and under. So let's do 4 plus 1 equals. 4 plus 1 equals. Another way to say that is if I have 4 lollipops, and I get 1 more lollipop, how many lollipops do I have? So the first colored lollipop I'm going to do is green. So how many lollipops do I need? 4. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. I drew 4 because the first number was 4. You see my 4 lollipops? 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 1. So get your other colored crown. You only need 2 colored crowns. How many pink lollipops should I draw? 1. So I had 4 lollipops and I got 1 more. I had 4 green. I got 1 pink. How many are there all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is, let's do, trying to think of numbers that are easy for you to write. Let's do 3. 3 goes around the tree, plus just looks like a T. 3 plus, let's just do 1 equals, and we'll do a harder one on the back. 3 plus 1 equals. So get your 2 colored crayons. Stuart's going to use different colors this time. Stuart's going to use blue and red. So I'm going to take my blue crayon and I'm going to draw how many circles? How many is that? 3. So maybe I have 3 cookies. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3. So Miss Stewart had 3 cookies, and then I got how many more? How many red circles or cookies should I draw? 1. So just draw 1 more. So we had 3, and we got 1 more. 3 plus 1. And let's see how many there are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 goes down and over, down 1 more. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Or 3 cookies plus, and I get 1 more cookie, so I have 4 cookies. Okay, so another way to add besides drawing is you can use a crayon, but if you have stickers at your house, or if you have toys, you can have Legos, you can have whatever. So Miss Stewart's going to show you how to do this, because when we get off our video, I want you to try to do one on your own. Okay, so if you want to still use crayons, you can. Miss Stewart's going to use stickers just to show you how you can use different things besides crayons. Okay, so I'm actually going to use this because Miss Stewart's pen went through it. So let's think of a good problem. What's a number? What number do we want to start with? Miss Stewart has stickers, so we're going to do hearts. So maybe I have 2 blue hearts, and I get 4 purple hearts. How many hearts do I have? So let's see. The way we would write that is we have 2 blue hearts plus 4 pink hearts equals 2 plus 4 equal, because you're going to make your own problem after we get off this. So the way I would do this is I would get 2 blue hearts. 1, 2. If you don't have stickers, you can just draw 2 blue hearts. Or you can do circles if you can't draw hearts. So 2, I put 2 hearts down because the number is 2. We have to put down the number that we wrote. The second number is what? What number is that? 4. So it doesn't mean put 4. It means I have to put 4 pink hearts. Not purple, pink. So Miss Stewart's going to put, ooh, I tore this heart. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't have heart stickers, or you don't have stickers at your house, you can just draw it with a crayon. So if I have 2 plus 4 equals, how many stickers do I have altogether? How many did we write or draw? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 is You draw a line down with a circle at the bottom. 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Or if I have 2 blue hearts and I get 4 pink hearts, how many hearts do I have? So when we get off of this, I want you to go and try to make your own math problem. So I want you to think of 2 numbers that are less than 5. So you can do 0, you can do 1, you can do 2, you can do 3, you can do 4, or you can do 5. Pick 2 numbers that are under that. So you could do 3 and 3, you could do 3 and 1, you could do 4 and 2. And then I want you to find objects in your house. So maybe you want to use Legos. Maybe you want to do your Frozen dolls. Maybe you want to do your action figures. And I want you to practice adding them together and putting them together. And I just thought about this. So since we didn't do this as an example, let's do one real fast before we get off the call. Okay? What if I had 1 plus 0 equals? Or if I had 1 Black Panther action figure and I had 0 Iron Man action figures, how many action figures do I have? Or if I have 1 Elsa doll and 0 Anna dolls, how many Frozen dolls do I have? So I'm going to draw 1. I'm going to draw a person for my action figure or doll, 1. And then how many should I draw for 0? How many should I put right here? None. 0 means none, so you don't draw anything. So how many action figures do you have? 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. If you did 3 plus 0, it's still 3. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to make your own math problem, okay? And you can send a picture to your teacher when you're done of what you thought of, what numbers you added, and what you decided if you wanted to draw pictures to add or if you wanted to find objects in your house, okay? So great job. Here's your brain. Wow. You did great. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.